Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm gonna show you how I went from this to this with a toothbrush. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye! So what you're gonna need for this tutorial, what am I doing? Is obviously your hairbrush, some hairspray, I use this one, and a toothbrush. And I'll show you how to use it in a bit. So first you wanna make sure that your hair is brushed and you want to make sure all the knots are out and make sure that it's nice and sleek at the top. You can either do a bun like this, a ponytail, a half up half down style. You can do pretty much whatever you like. So since I like my bun to be really high up, pretty much right at the top of my head, I go upside down, and this is how I slick my hair at the back. If you have help, it's a lot easier, but since I don't have help, I kind of brush my hair in between my hands and I catch it. And then I sit back down and make sure the top is very sleek. The more sleek it is, the more put together it looks. So I use this hair look when my hair is being wild, when I don't have a lot of time to do my hair like curler or straightener. It looks very professional if you're going somewhere professional, but in general it just looks all well put together. So here I'm finally gonna tie it up, and oh god, what am I doing? And this is what I'm left with. There's nothing wrong with it, it's just very big and it gets in my face. So I grab another hair elastic and I'm going to use that to make the bun. I do have a lot of hair, that's why I use 2 hair elastics. So what I'm gonna do is grab that hair and twist it like so, and then twist it around the base of the ponytail, and then I'm gonna grab that little piece at the end and I'm just gonna tuck it under the rest of my hair. You can either do that or you can use a bobby pin. And then I'm gonna pat my hair like it's a good boy. Then I'm gonna show you, oh, no, okay. I'm gonna show you what it looks like at the front and on the back. See all that messy baby hair? We're gonna get rid of that. So we're gonna grab our hairspray, and you have 2 options here. You can either put the hairspray on the toothbrush and brush your hair, or you can put the hairspray on your hair and then brush it out. But what I like doing better is spraying the hairspray on my toothbrush and then brushing like so. I make sure everything's very sleek back, and I usually do that a couple of times to make sure all the baby hairs stay down. And in case you're wondering, no, this is not the toothbrush I use for my teeth. This is a brand new one. You want to make sure to wash it after every use, or else it gets really crusty and it's really gross, and then it doesn't really do its job. If you wash it after every use, then it will last you longer. Once you're happy with the front, you can move on to the back. If you have someone to help you, it is a lot easier because obviously you can't see this, but you want to make sure you kind of feel it with your hand until you're happy with the results. I'm gonna show you really close up why it's so convenient to have a toothbrush. Those gaps that you have like that, you can just brush it like that and it looks very sleek. You want to make sure you do this after you get dressed, because if you do this and you take your shirt off because you change your mind, because you're indecisive on what to wear, you're gonna have to redo this step because it will get messy all over again. And this is what you're left with. No baby hair sticking out. I know there's an actual product for this, but I've been doing this before the product came out, and it's also a good way to save you a few bucks. Anyway, if you liked that video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you guys on our next adventure. Bye!